If you have some stuff laying around your house that you don't need anymore, a great resource is that you can always hop on Facebook to use Facebook Marketplace and sell practically anything. I'm going to walk you through the entire process. So open up the Facebook app if you're on an iPhone or Android, or if you're on a computer, you can just go to facebook.com. From here, we need to navigate to the marketplace. So tap on the menu button at the very bottom right, or if you're on a computer, it might be at the top right. From here, you can see marketplace. You might need to hit the see more here, but you can see I'm going to tap on marketplace. And now once I've done that, at the very top left is sell. So I want to sell something. I'm just going to tap on that. And I'm going to tap on create a listing. Now it says one item, multiple items, vehicle, home, for sale or rent. I'm going to just choose one item here, and I'm going to walk you through an example. So I can either create a video or a photo. I'm just going to upload some photos here. So from here, I can hit the camera button, and let's hit allow access to the camera and go back. This might kick me out. Let's create a new listing, white item, and then add photos and camera. Now, all I'm going to do is take a photo of whatever I want to sell. In this case, I'm just going to walk you through selling this remote. So hit done at that point. Now, all we need to do is hit a title on here. So I'm going to say, this is my Sony camera remote. And I'm going to name a price. So let's say $5. You can see under that is category. It automatically detects what the category should be. I can set the condition as used and good. And then the description can be whatever you feel like. And you can say something like works perfectly, don't need it. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the brand auto-populates to Sony in this case, color, location, tag, SKU. You can choose any of those that you want to turn on if you want to, or fill out. Now, at the very bottom, it says hide from friends. So the default is that they will show all of your friends that you're selling these items. In my personal experience, I prefer not to share those with my friends, but just to share it with Facebook Marketplace instead of just my friends and Marketplace. So I'm going to hit next here. And now I can see I can share it with groups, but again, I don't want to do that. I'm just going to hit publish. Now, after you've done that, you can see at the very top, it says publishing, and I'm going to tap on your listings at the very top. You should be able to see that listing, but a lot of times it will say it's in review. This is basically just an automated review to make sure that publishing or that listing doesn't violate any terms of service. So you can always tap on it here, and once it is live, you'll be able to see the number of views and clicks, etc. If people are interested, they'll send you a message directly in Facebook Messenger, so just check your messages in Facebook Messenger. And whenever you're done, if you sell it, you can tap the three dots at the top right, and either hit the delete listing or just mark it as sold, that you have sold that, and then you can keep going through this process selling whatever you want around the house.